Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on HP OMEN Transcend 14. In order to copy and paste, you can copy and paste different things. You can copy files. You can also copy graphical things. So if you're in some graphical editor, you can select a portion of or the whole image and copy, then paste it in, and it won't be just a file, it'll be the image itself, so you can copy it into a different workspace, whatever, or you can do whatever with it. And I think the most common is copying text. That's why I'm gonna open Notepad to show you that on an example of Notepad. And then if I type something in like hard reset, for example, and if I select it, then I can right click on it and click on copy, or what I like the most is just click on Ctrl+C on the keyboard to copy it. And now if I click on Ctrl+V or right click and click on paste, it'll paste this text file or image. So I think it comes in handy. You can also, as a bonus, I'm gonna show you a clipboard. So if I click on Windows and V on my keyboard, it opens clipboard. If I turn it on for the first time, it'll start recording the clipboard history, and it stores just a few like recently copied things. So if I type in something else and just select it, then I can copy it. And if I click on Windows and V, I have two of these things, so I can choose whichever one I'd like to paste. And if you don't want some of these things in clipboard to disappear after a certain time, you can pin them so they will stay on the top right here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.